Hey guys, this is Brent, your Lexus Car Sales Professional, aka Ask for Brent, down here at Coliseum Lexus of Oakland. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a video of the NX350, particularly one that is Grecian Water Blue. Now the reason why I want to do that is because you want to know what the car looks like as well as the performance, and I know you guys are already pretty happy and fired up about the car in and of itself, but what is it going to look like in this Grecian Water Blue? That's what today's video is about. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe so you can be notified. If you want to see anything that I haven't already posted on YouTube, please leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. With that being said, let's take a look at this car.